Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tips. Exploring Klarna, a buy now, pay later solution. In this review, we delve into Klarna, a popular buy now, pay later platform that offers flexible financing for your purchases. Find convenient links to products within the Klarna app in the description below. Klarna caters to shoppers who prioritize financial flexibility, enabling them to divide purchases into smaller, more manageable payments spread over time. A key advantage is the absence of hidden fees or high interest rates, as long as payments are made promptly. Klarna provides three primary payment options. Pay in 4 allows you to split your purchase into 4 equal installments due every 2 weeks. The Pay in 30 option defers your full payment for up to 30 days, offering short-term flexibility. For larger purchases, Klarna offers longer-term financing plans. Using Klarna is a seamless experience. It integrates directly with major retailers and online stores, simplifying the checkout process. The Klarna app enables you to browse partnered retailers, curate wish lists, and conveniently track your payments. A standout feature is the virtual shopping cart, which extends Klarna's usability to stores that don't explicitly list it as a payment option. The app also provides helpful payment reminders to ensure you stay on top of your dues. Klarna is ideal for budget-conscious shoppers, online buyers, and anyone seeking convenience and control over their finances. However, responsible usage is crucial. Missed payments can incur late fees, and while Klarna typically doesn't impact your credit score, extended financing options may necessitate credit checks. From a merchant's perspective, Klarna can reduce cart abandonment by offering customers alternative payment solutions, thereby boosting sales conversions. While Klarna excels in its user-friendly interface and flexible payment structures, it does have some limitations. Its primary strength lies in short-term financing. Those seeking more traditional credit options might find Klarna less comprehensive. Nevertheless, the lack of interest charges for on-time payments and the wide range of supported retailers make Klarna a valuable tool for both everyday shopping and larger acquisitions. In conclusion, Klarna is an excellent option for those seeking flexibility and ease in managing their purchases. Download the app using the link below and share your experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.